Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to make a professional looking resume with Canva. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Canva application, which of course I have done right here. And the next thing we're going to have to hop into today's task. So here's a sweet home page for Canva, and it has this really amazing user interface. All right, so to make a professional looking resume, you can use two ways. One, search a template that actually works for you, or you can just create a design. So you can just click on this create a design button and flow with it, like just start from scratch. So right here, I'm just going to use the search button to search for templates. And how do I search for templates? All I just need to do is resume, and that's going to open me up to a wide array of templates which I can use. It's just going to make my design easier. So here are options that you can choose from really amazing templates, but you should be careful of the crowns, right? Here are crowns that label pro. It means you cannot access the designs until you head over to upgrade your plan. So we're going to look for a professional looking free one. All right, so free one that doesn't have the crown in it. So I think this looks really nice. So I'm just going to open this up. It doesn't have the crown, so it's free. So right here, I'm going to click on customize this template. So you have this amazing option. All right, so I'm just going to have to like enhance this so that we'll see what we're working with. So now you have this person that is not you. All right. So, and this is like sweet and creative and really professional. So you can use this template to actually buy yourself time. So here, if you want to change this picture, click on this picture and, head over to uploads, click on uploads and upload your own picture. So all you just need to do is to drag and to drop. So click on this picture and you can even, so let's say this is a picture, just click on it and click on this delete button for you to get rid of it and replace this with something else. All right, and then here you have okay, so we're just gonna head over to uploads and do not really waste time on this. So see, I've moved my picture and you can see I've changed it to something else. And here you can even change it to your name. So there we go. So here, yeah, that's it. And over here, I can edit it to be projects manager. About me, of course, you can change this. All you need to do if you want to edit it, just double click and change the wordings. Double click, change, double click and change, double click and change. And then all of this, your experience, add your own experiences, just double click and edit. That's just all you need to do here. Now, if you want to change the colors, it's just easy. So just look for the area that you want to change colors. Let's say this black, and just click on that. And here you have the color palette, and it opens you up to a lot of colors. So you can see a lot of colors that you can choose. So I think I'll just rather go with the black, and that's fine. So here I can also click on this area. You have blue. You can change the color. You can, of course, replicate that with every other angle. All right, so just click, and any element that you do not want, all you need to do is to click on it, and you see this delete icon right there. So click on delete and you'll be good to go. So this is really professional looking. So just edit it and you're good to go. And once you're done, go ahead and click on the share button right here. And once you click on the share button right here, you see this download. Click on download and download your design. So go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.